Okay. Oh boy. Got a feeling the battery's dead here. Let me try to pop the key out. Okay. Let's see if the power comes on. Let's try the starter. Yep, he did. Let's pop the hood here. So let's check our voltage here. So positive, we're on DC volts here. And this battery is at 12 volts. So this battery isn't completely dead, but something's going on. Let's figure it out. Okay, let's check something out here. So I got a gut feeling that my key fob battery is dead. When I press the button, it says no key. I think on these vehicles, if you bring it here, I just heard a click sound. Let me see something here. ACC. Okay, so come to find out, we need a key fob battery. Let's replace it. So I'm gonna take it out of its case. And then I think, I'm not 100% sure if you got to remove the key or not, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then once you do that, I think you can just get your thumb in here and start to pry. There you go. And she's coming open. Oh. And she's popped out. Cool. This is what she looks like opened up. Let's see what kind of battery she takes. This is a CR2025 battery. Let's see if I have one. So, if you look here on the thing, it does say on the key fob, it does say that it takes a CR2025. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can cheat real quick and use this CR2032. The main difference between the two of these is just that one is thinner than the other, but they both do the same job. They both have their positive terminals on the back. Let's see if I can make this work. If I'm lucky, I'm lucky. If I'm not, oh well. I have to go run to the store and go get the correct one. Let's see if this will fit. If it fits, I'm money. Here we go. Let me get my little key fob in here and hope that this works. And I'm just gonna plug this in. And it works. Yep, okay, we're all good here. And now I'm gonna put this back on. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. And there we go. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys, like I say, the correct one is a CR2025. If you can, at least that you can see what I just showed you, you can use the CR2032. Like I said, it's CR2032 is just a little bit thicker than this one, and I think that because it's thicker, the battery life is longer on the 2032 versus the CR2025. So hope that video helps you guys, and thanks for watching. Till next time, out. Bye.